Hey everyone! Today I'm diving into the architectural marvels of Connecticut. From quaint colonial homes to sleek modern apartments, Connecticut's architecture tells a unique story of American design evolution. First up, let's talk about the charm of Connecticut's historical buildings. Most notable are the colonial homes that line the streets of towns like Greenwich and Mystic. These structures, with their wooden facades and shuttered windows, transport us back to the 17th century, offering a glimpse into the early days of America. Moving on to modern architecture, Connecticut is not shy about embracing the new. In cities like Stamford and Hartford, you can see a stark contrast with bold, contemporary apartment buildings. These structures utilize cutting-edge 3D exterior and interior rendering techniques, making them not just homes, but pieces of art. What makes Connecticut's architecture truly unique is this blend of old and new. On one street, you might find a historic home next to a modern commercial building, each complementing the other's beauty and design. So whether you're an architecture enthusiast or just someone who appreciates good design, Connecticut offers a diverse palette that's sure to impress. From its colonial roots to its modern twists, each building tells a part of the state's rich architectural story. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope you enjoyed this quick tour of Connecticut's architectural wonders. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content like this. Catch you in the next one. Thank you for watching. We welcome you to explore our services and solutions at the 2D 3D Floor Plan Company.